Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Lunar Client is installed, and you've backed up your settings so you can revert if needed. Next, open Lunar Client and enable Advanced or Developer options from the main menu. This exposes the shader and mod toggles you'll need. Once done, navigate to the Mods or Settings tab and locate the motion blur or shader controls. Make sure the game version matches any shader pack requirements before proceeding to custom parameters. You now configure the motion blur values directly. Set intensity to a moderate number so movement is visible but not disorienting, for example 0. 5 to 2, 0 or 25/50 on a 0-100 scale. Then change quality settings to balance performance, drop from high to medium if FPS drops. Once set, tweak FOV and camera smoothing to integrate blur naturally, and enable or disable specific shader passes to avoid double processing. Finish by validating the setting. Play and observe motion blur during running, turning, and combat to ensure it enhances clarity rather than obscuring visuals. If you notice stutter or frame drops, reduce intensity and quality or temporarily disable other camera or shader mods because conflicts often cause performance issues. Once stable, save a named config profile so you can return to this setup. If instability persists, restore your backup and reapply, changes one at a time to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.